Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you how to make Turkish pizza. So for this recipe, you will need 200 grams of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoons red peppers, 2 tablespoons green peppers, half a cup of chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. So you're going to start off by putting a little bit of oil into your frying pan, followed by the ground beef, and cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Add salt, pepper, and chili flakes and mix them in thoroughly with the ground beef. So then you can go ahead and divide your dough into 8 pieces, or however many Turkish pides you would like to make. We've already given you the recipe for this dough, which is linked in the description below. So you're just going to go ahead and add the chopped tomatoes, green peppers, chopped onion, red peppers, and tomato puree into the ground beef and mix it thoroughly. Then you can go ahead and flatten the dough into a ovalist shape. Layer it with the mixture you just created. You can layer it with cheese on top if you would like, but this is optional. If you don't want cheese, you don't have to put it. And then you're just gonna fold the edges of the oval like so. We just used the back of a fork to kind of leave some indents on the edges of the pide. This is optional, of course. So you're just going to go ahead and bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.